My best students often ask me for study suggestions. They want to improve their English. As a teacher on italki, of course, I want them to improve their English too. I love to see progress. I love to see students who are preparing for interviews get the job. I love to see students who are preparing for tests get the score or the grade they want. That makes me so happy. As a student of languages, I speak okay Chinese. I am now learning Spanish, like A1, A2, the early B1. I know that studying is about finding fake ways to practice for real conversations. I've learned thousands and thousands of words. I've memorized dialogues. I've taken hundreds of classes on italki as a student. Italki is fake. In real life, most conversations are not on Zoom, but italki is a fake way to practice for the real thing, for real conversations with real people. Chatting in class on italki is very similar to real life interactions, but it's not the same. Okay, so real life interactions are very real. But next you have italki, which is fake, it's artificial. And then next you have, ChatGPT. Talking to ChatGPT is a great way to get a lot of practice. After that, we have flashcards. So the most real is real conversations, real conversations. Then you have, talking online with a teacher. Then you have talking to an AI, and then you just have flashcards. Flashcards are kind of like really, really, really short conversations. One question, one answer. Okay. So going down, they're the least real, but they're very, very easy to do and very inexpensive. Using flashcards is the best way to really remember something thoroughly. When we want to memorize, Anki is fantastic. If you're new to Anki, there is another video on this channel explaining just how to make your first card. Right now, we're going to demonstrate how to use notes from an italki class to generate Anki flashcards so you can have a truly customized review experience. Each lesson with Gabby, I make her organized translations she can use to practice. Some of my best students use these notes to make Anki flashcards. Anki is a flashcard application. It has something called SRS, or Spaced Repetition System, and that shows you cards you do well, um, less and less frequently. And then it shows you cards that are hard more and more often, okay, more frequently. It's very efficient and it's very nice. It's wonderful. It's perfect. It's such a great system. If you already use Anki, please tell me, when do you do it? Do you do it in the morning? Do you do it at night? How often do you do it? Do you skip days? If you use Anki, please tell me, how are you using it? Okay, here are some notes from Gabby's last lesson. Gabby is a teacher on italki. She's my Spanish teacher.
Hola, Lucy.
And on most Fridays, she stops being my Spanish teacher and becomes my English student on italki.
Hola, Lucy. Hi, Lucy.
We have a whole playlist on YouTube. If you want to see more Gabby, we record every lesson, and most of the lessons are here. Okay. Also, you can schedule a lesson with Gabby if you want to learn Spanish. She can help you with your Spanish. She's great. Hi, Gabby.
Hi, Lucy.
In the document, we see English sentences on the left and then Spanish translations on the right. We can drop these into ChatGPT to add commas to help us format the document, and then we can import the file. We can practice the cards, and after a short time, your English improves quickly from the custom notes. These are notes just for you. Now we can do Anki every day. Practice the things you need to practice, and Anki will automatically skip the things that you don't need to practice yet. For example, if today I practiced cat and it was very easy, I won't see cat tomorrow. I won't see cat the next day. Maybe I will see cat in a week or 2 weeks. I won't see it again for a little while. It gives me some time in between the practices. Here's a habit. Here's the idea. Here's what the good students are doing. Have a lesson, once a week or twice a week, whatever you want, okay? After each lesson, spend 5 minutes, honestly, less than 5 minutes doing the cards, adding the cards to Anki. Every day, practice the cards for 2 minutes. Make it a habit every day, always 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes, okay? On the bus, or waiting for the microwave, or while walking slowly, or right before bed, or right after you wake up in the morning, or while you're eating. You have 2 minutes every day to practice Anki. The busiest person in the world has 2 minutes, okay? You can do this every day. There's no reason to not practice. If if you don't have 2 minutes every day, I have news for you. This video is more than 2 minutes long. If you're watching this, you had 2 minutes and you wasted it watching me. Next time, don't watch me. Next time, go do Anki, okay? If you really don't have 2 minutes, tell me about yourself. Why don't you have 2 minutes every day? Okay, so this is one way to practice what we learn each lesson. And my best students, they use Anki, they improve quickly. But I will tell you, learning is something that you do from lots of different people. So for example, I learned about Anki from my previous coworker. I learned about italki from my brother, my brother. He's my forever brother, I guess. I learned about, ChatGPT. I learned about that from my Chinese teacher. She thought it was a great tool and she shared it. So I learned about these things from different people. If you have some tool you want to share that can help me, that can help other students, that can help anybody, please let me know. Okay, I'm very excited about learning about different things, and I will mention you if you give me a good tool or a good tip. Of course I will. Oh, that's it. That's it. So I showed you how to import the cards, how to use the lesson notes to import the cards. That's it. That's the whole video. So thank you so much for your time. If you leave a comment, actually, it helps me a lot when you leave a comment. Even if the comment is like, your hair looks bad, that comment actually helps me on YouTube. So any comment you have can be helpful, a question, or you have a suggestion for other students. If you have a suggestion for a different video, if you want to suggest that maybe I talk even faster, I can do that. Whatever you want, just leave a message down below. And here's the Easter egg, okay? This is an Easter egg for everyone else. So the video's over, you can go. But if you're still watching and you are one of my current italki students, then here's your Easter egg. If you don't know, Easter is a holiday in the United States, and it's Christian. There is a religious component to it, but even non-religious parents will often do Easter egg hunts where the parents or the family will hide some eggs, some chocolate, some toys. They hide them, and then children can go and find them. So an Easter egg is a fun surprise that you found that somebody hid for you. This is your Easter egg here. If you leave a comment below, any comment at all, and you're one of my italki students, I will send you a special thank you on italki. What is it? I don't know. You have to leave a comment, and then I will send you a message on italki. Leave a comment on YouTube. Okay. If you have any questions, let me know. I respond to every single message. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, we're in Mexico. Yeah, nobody cares. We're in Mexico.